Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk through how to install this new LED fan and we'll get the light fixture in here updated. So here we go. So I have an octagonal base already installed here. I'm going to slip the base plate for the fan over the wires and make them come out the middle. Of course, I've got the power turned off for this. And then we'll put 2 screws here. Comes with the screws and all the hardware that you need. And so if you have just a plain wood ceiling or anything like that, you can also use these same screws. And there's 4 mounting holes that you can use to secure the plate. On the motor, we're going to add the decorative trim to the top. So we're going to remove these 6 screws and slide that on and re-secure it. Next, we'll put on the decorative ring. So slip this through, and then these tabs line up with these screw slots. And you do have to compress it a little bit to get it to fit on there. Next, we're going to wire up the remote control module. So I have my wires here. You've got a line in, your hot, and a neutral, and that's really it. The ground itself is on the plate, so we'll connect that as well. With our wire connections made, I'm going to take the base unit, and it has a hanger right here on the mounting plate. We can loop through one of the screw holes to hold this while we work on the rest. I'm going to go ahead and get everything else situated up here and get it ready to hang, and we'll slide it up. We'll just loosen these 4 screws around the base plate, and then you slide it up and twist. On the mounting plate, 2 of the 4 screws will come out entirely. That'll allow us to get this in position and twist it on, and then we can re-secure all 4 screws. So this is secure now. We'll lift the trim piece and put these tabs right where those screw holes were. Slide that up and twist it into place as well. Now we're ready for the fan blade, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the screws from those holes. We'll assemble them with the washers that are included and then reinstall them on the blades. For the fan blade installation, you can choose either silver side or the white side. I'm going to choose silver for this. Slip it through the outside like so, and then each of the screws will have a little red washer included. That helps hold it and dampen vibrations. And we will put all 9 of these back in their slots. With all the screws in tightly, I'm ready to put on the light fixture. We'll remove the 3 screws right here and add the LED light. I'm going to slip the cable through the center and attach the power. And I can hold this up into place and re-secure screws. And the last step is to place the plastic cover. It has little grooves. We'll line those up with the pins inside, and again, twist to secure it. And we're ready to test this out. Okay, power's on. I'm going to use the remote, hit the light button. See, it's very bright. I can cycle through as well to get different color temperatures. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fan, so I can select from 1 through 6 on the fan speed. Here's number 1. You can see the motor starts up. It's nice and quiet. And it moves a lot of air for how small this fan is. It's a 44-inch fan, but puts out a very good breeze. I'm going to click this up to 6, go full speed. You can see this is without any adjustment whatsoever on the fan blades. So it's very well balanced. It's not making any clicky noises or any annoying things like that that comes from vibration with most of your ceiling fans. And then turn it off, hit the center power button, and it breaks and shuts down. You've also got a button here that reverses direction, so you can pull air up as well as push it down. And there's a timer function, 1, 3, or 6 hours. And we've got a dimmer as well for the light, so I can hold the plus or minus button and get just the right amount of light for my mood. So that completes the installation. This is a great upgrade to this room, updates it nicely, and I'm sure our daughter will be very happy.